Hello, business owners. Worried about what you need to do to prepare for the Corporate Transparency Act, or CTA, the groundbreaking legislation coming into effect on January 1st? I'm Amanda Wynalda, Executive Attorney with Anderson Business Advisors, and in this video, we'll break down the process into 10 manageable steps to ensure your compliance. Let's dive in. So step 1, determine whether your company is a reporting company. Most businesses, including corporations and LLCs, qualify as reporting companies under the CTA. Though the law specifies 23 exemptions, it's estimated that over 30 million businesses operating in the United States do qualify as reporting companies. Click the link below and take our online CTA quiz to confirm your business's reporting status. Step 2, update your operating agreement. If you have an LLC, update your operating agreement with a CTA-specific provision. Specifically, you'll want to add a provision that requires all beneficial owners to supply accurate personal information in compliance with the CTA. Refusal resulting in expulsion or financial compensation to the business. This ensures all members comply and prevents potential conflicts. Step 3, identify your company's beneficial owners. Determine individuals with substantial control or 25% ownership. This includes, but isn't limited to, senior officers, important decision makers, and individuals authorized to appoint or remove officers. Make a comprehensive list of these beneficial owners, excluding exemptions like minors and employees. Step 4, identify your company applicants. These are individuals responsible for the company's formation and include the person physically sending documents to the state, as well as the person directing the formation. Each entity can have up to 2 company applicants. Step 5, gather information about your company. Collect essential details such as legal name, trade names, U.S. address, jurisdiction of formation, and taxpayer identification number. Step 6, gather information about your beneficial owners. Gather personal information for each beneficial owner, including full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and a photo ID. Step 7, gather information about your company applicants. If applicable, collect details similar to beneficial owners for your company applicants. This may require contacting a third party, such as a law firm that you hired to form your company for you. Step 8, confirm your information. Double-check all gathered information for accuracy. Cross-reference documents and address any discrepancies. Step 9, file your report with FinCEN. Electronically submit your report through FinCEN's secure filing system. The system will be available starting January 1. New entities will have 30 days to file their initial report, and existing entities will have until January 1st, 2025. Step 10, file updated reports as needed. Keep your information current. File updated reports within 30 days if there are any changes or inaccuracies, or if your company's exemption status has changed. Changes requiring updated filings include changes in legal name due to marriage or divorce, changes in your residential address, and photo ID due to moving or relocating. If you have questions or need assistance navigating the CTA, Anderson Advisors has got you covered. Reach out via the links below and don't face these challenges alone. Take care.